Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Sunday racing January 18 was cancelled and declared racing holiday for the passing at pagpapahalaga kay Jackie E.A. Abreya. Naganda po tayo ng munting tribute. Magukol po tayo ng 1 minute silent prayer panalangin. At pakikiramay sa family, sa lahat ng nagmamahal kay Jackie Elvin A. Abreya, who passed away sa aksidenteng pagkahulog noong Sabado, January 17 sa kanyang sakay sa Race 6. Narito po, race video tribute kay Jackie E.A. Abreya, isa sa mga magagaling nating hinete at may mataas na IQ bilang jockey.
Here's our first runner. That's entry number 1, The Kiss. 440 kilograms weight, started by top billing out of Mary Todd. E.A. Abreya on the saddle with
position, second on the outside, and down the stretch they come. Glenamon, the Keys racing on the outside. The Keys moving up on the outside to grab the leader, and finally the Keys. Second, Glenamon, then comes Brown Misa, close for fourth among 3 runners.
And this is going to be a huge upset by Carrerista here in race number 5, entry number 1, The Kiss. Coming from behind, win, ridden by Jackie E.A. Abreya, followed
Hakim, entry number 5, E.A. Abreya.
Sa last day, swing for home. I say, Mayor Link and Hub. And on the outside, second is Hakim. Hombre comes next. Last 100 meters, we have Hakim. Now takes command by about 2 lengths. Over Hombre in second. Last 50 meters, we have Hakim. Second, Hombre then comes Isaiah. Magnolia Yana, Princess Isabel.
All right, number 5, Hakim, crossing the warpers, ridden by E.A. Abreya.
Here's the final runner, competing all the runners. That's number 8, H.E. Holly, 410 kilograms. Rider Elvin A. Abreya carrying 54.
H.E. Holly, H.E. Holly, Professor Jones. Now we have H.E. Holly by Alec Tanori inside. Professor Jones hook the hustler. H.E. Holly by Alain Geneha. Professor Jones hook the hustler. Eyes on Sunrise. H.E. Holly by about 2 lengths now over Professor Jones. And finally it's H.E. Holly. Professor Jones close. Eyes on Sunrise hook the hustler.
All right, crossing the bar first. That's number 8, H.E. Holly, under Elvin A. Abreya.
presenting our first runner. That's number 1, Houdini. 433 kilograms weight. EA Abrea on the saddle, weight 54.4.
And it's still Catanyarias and Exalted. Elizabeth Joy Danor inside Majestic Star. Agent Romanov also moving up. And it's still Catanyarias and Exalted. Majestic Star. Agent Romanov in the middle portion. It's still Catanya. Exalted. Agent Romanov. Majestic Star. It's still Catanya. Agent Romanov finds an opening. Danor inside. On the outside, Houdini! And finally, Houdini!
Our unofficial winner here in race number 3. Let's see. Indeed, a thrilling conclusion by Carrerista between Houdini and Agent Romanov. So it's 14, 22 in a fraction, 23 finishing at 28. Total time, 1 minute 27.8 seconds for 1,400 meter distance. Ridden by Jackie A. Abrea, owned by Mr. P.
Isang pagsaludo sa iyo, Jackie E.A. Abrea. Salamat. January 21, 2026, Wednesday Racing. Balik MMTC Metro Turf ang venue ng karera ngayong Miyerkules. Starting time ng karera 5:30 PM, alas 5:30. At meron tayong 7 races. All 7 races, yung pinaiiral na pinakamaikling distansyang 1,200 meter distance. At let's go on, begin analyzing our cool choices. Race number 1, isang 3-year-old and above. Maiden race, placer. Winner take all covers races 1 to 7. May Super 6, may carry over agad 46,257 and 48 centavos. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 7, Blue Scholar. May humble observation, pwede na siya mauna dito at hindi nabitawan. Cool second choice, may angking bilis at nagpapakita ng pagsugod sa kanyang mga nakarang takbo. Cool second choice, number 3, High Speed. Meron po tayong cool third choice, Matagal na Bakasyon. Tumakbo ng isang barrier run, 1:14:30. Ating pong cool third choice, number 6, 7, Cycles. Race 2, Pick 6, covers races 2 to 7. May pentafecta. At ang race na ito, solid. Lahat, rating base, handicap group, 16 hanggang 21. Pero, yung number 6, Chiller, pagkatapos ito, pupunta na sa 17-41 classification. Pababa na. Ika nga. Ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Backpage, Cabarius Riding. Cool second choice, last to enter, Jackie Huko pa rin, Calendar Girl. Kahit na pinakamabigat na timbang 57, ganito rin naman ang mga timbang niya malapit na rito sa mga nakaraan. Race 3, Pick 5, races 3 to 7. May Super 6. Solid po itong lineup na ito. Lahat rating base handicap group 6 hanggang 10. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5. Nakapagpagpag na ng gusto to para sa akin. Cool first choice, number 5, Days X Machina. Ang ating pong cool second choice, yung tumalo sa kanya nakaraang pagharap nila. Cool second choice, number 4, Angry Maxine. At meron po tayong cool third choice, nagpapahiyang kay paano, Cool third choice natin, number 8, Early Bird. Papakita ni paano ipapanalo ito. Race 4. Pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. May pentapekta. Solid din ang lineup na ito. Lahat 22 hanggang 27. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 6, Alibaba. Cool second choice, number 7, King Alexander. Aking pong humble assessment, chess game. So, chess game, strategy. Na tayo sa race 5. Kung hindi ko nabanggit, pick 4 po yun. Race 4 hanggang race 7. Sa race 5, solid po na rating base handicap group 16 hanggang 21. May Super 6. Pero meron po ritong tatlo, si Margot, Arcev, at Amaranth, na pagkatapos ito ay pupunta na sa 17-41 classification, kung hindi po ako namali ng data. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Petit Pucet o Pucet. Ang ating pong cool second choice, kabayo ni Sir JC. Jackie Huko pa rin, Doña Chichay, number 6. Tayo ngayon sa race 6. May pentapekta, solid na 6 hanggang 10 ang rating base handicap group. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Lucky Julian. Cool second choice, number 1, Wind Storm. Meron po tayong cool third choice, Last to Enter, at lahat ng nakaranyang takbo ay parang sinubok-subok na. Cool third choice, number 8, Sky Lover. Last race na po, race 7, Paratingan. May Super 6. Solid po ang lineup na ito, 16 hanggang 21 ang rating base handicap group, lahat. Pero may tatlo rito. Tatlo ba? Dalawa. Axis Aviation at si Darna. Pagkatapos nito, kung sakali, negative, sila po ay pupunta na sa 17-41 classification or rating base group 11 to 15. Ang ating pong cool first choice, last race, number 5, Savel, apprentice jockey si Masyo. At ang ating pong cool second choice, number 1, War Hammer. Mabigat nga lang, no? 57 kilo. Meron po tayong cool third choice. Medyo mabigat din, 56 kilo. Number 7, ating pong cool third choice, Robotic Clay. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana sumama tayo. Thank you!